Okay, so we're looking at euro and the pound. So we have SMT right away, right? So right now, yesterday's week, we made a red candle, right? Bearish candle. We made a bullish candle over here, right? We already swept the high on this one from previous week, but we haven't swept the high on euro on this week, right? We put these levels out. Let's bring this a little bit more back. That way it's easier to read. So we really have to see what's going to happen next, right? Is the dollar going to continue going higher? That's the next question that we need to be asking ourselves. Is this really going to be going higher? I'm going to delete all of this too. I don't want to see any of this. Let's keep it simple. So we're going sideways here. Go to the monthly actually, see what's going on. So if we look here, pull a fib. So, man, this could be going lower. But we could be an optimal trade entry, right? It could be an OTE. Look here, we're right here, an OTE of this range. But we did this busy. We closed it with this CB. It was no full plug. I would have liked to see this candle close down here below this, but we wicked it. And then we closed it down here. We're just chopping sideways for the monthly. So we could just see more of this. Maybe come back up here, right? So if we look at everything else, all right, let's take this off too. Right, we're just chopping sideways here. So if this were to go higher, then we'd expect the FX pairs to go lower. It's trouble, it's trouble. Cause look at this, we tap into this busy, boom, we popped. Right, we tapped in here again, rejected, boom. Same thing here though. Right here, rejected, boom. But euro never came down here. This is where we already have SMT. You have SMT right here also, right? I need to mark these off as, all right, so we swept it up there right here in OTE. Right, we're gonna mark this off also. Right, this is our weekly buy side and our weekly sell side. So here we could be making this, we have this weekly FEG right here. So we could be making a 3 candle pattern here to go lower on Dixie. Right, but what if we're just coming down here and to pop? Is where we have to wait to see for confirmation, because this is iffy right now. This is tough. It's tough, especially when we're going sideways like this. This is real tough. And then on Dixie here on the daily, we have this new daily opening gap. Hasn't been mitigated. Also, we just created one right now. It hasn't been mitigated. So, and then we also have let's put some of these on here. Right. Okay. So we're making open highs on the euro pairs, right? I mean, the FX pairs. So this should be popping up higher, right? Maybe come in to fill this and then retrace and then pop. We're gonna have to see. We are going to have to see, because we could get something like this, right? Come all the way down here and then continuation higher. Then we go to the 4 hour. Let's take this off. Okay. To wait for London, New York session to see what's really gonna happen. If we are gonna sweep this devil's mark here, devil's mark there, this should pop up and fill this gap here. Right, we're just in this range. It's tough right now. It's tough, you guys. But you see, like here on GBP though, how perfect that is. Let's go to 15. Boom, we're coming back down. Alright, we're coming back down, sonny. Maybe come down. Yeah, we're probably gonna come down and feel this. For sure, for sure. Now we can pop this back on though. Right here on the 1 hour. Alright, look at this high. Is this previous? No. This is Wednesday's high though. What I need to find though is we gotta look through and find all these equal highs. Right, this is gonna be right. Swap liquidity here, but where are the equal highs is what I want to know. This is where we need to find our equal highs. Are we gonna come back up here? So we have them on GBP. Right, we can equal lows, right? These are relative equal lows. Oh, here they are. As low as 13374. 13374. So this is an equal low pair we should be looking out for right here. So yeah, I'm gonna mark this level off right here. Right. This is liquidity we should be looking for. Right, equal lows. Up here though. Oh, there's these equal highs, but we already ran them. So relative equal highs. Relative equal highs. Your devil's marks up here. So there's really not, I mean, there's not much on the 1 hour, right? But let's see if we go down to the 15-minute. See if we find anything up here. See relative equal highs. We might come, because look at how we got so close to sweeping this one, but we didn't sweep it. So close to sweeping this one, but we didn't sweep it. If we are bullish, we're gonna come for these. And let's go over here. No, there's not much right here on Euro. Let's check out GBP next. Let's go to 1 hour first. I'm just trying to mark everything off to see where can we be going, right? Oh, I thought I marked that off on what the heck? Okay, this is Euro, right? Let's see. Here we go up there, almost clear this high, but we don't. This is the weekly sell, weekly buy side. Right here we have the S&T. You remember that? But there's nothing. I don't see anything. No, I think our only option is gonna be that we go lower. No, that was a big ass SMT right here. Okay. So pretty much we had to just track price and see how far, how low it's gonna go though. It's gonna be our best option. Just wait for like, let's say we are gonna go higher, right? And we're gonna sweep this high up here. Well, we're already in this 1 hour BISI right here. So we could hold this level, maybe come down, sweep this, get an SMT here, and we pop up and take the weekly high, previous week high. And then we start marching for these devil's marks, right? It's a 4 hour devil mark. Coming to this 5 minute, this daily BISI. Take out the rest of these. Right over here too. I want to check out, let's go to Dixie. Right. The Dixie. This is sell side, this is the gap. Do we have equal lows down here somewhere? Relative equal lows down here. Look at this, too smooth. Oh, what's this? 376. Oh, 473 is close, but not close enough. Some more 4 hour devil's marks. So let's go see if we have anything up top though. Up top, up top. No. Yeah, this gap right here. Is that a weekly, new week opening gap? This right here is real smooth. The only obvious one is GBP with the equal lows down there. This is the only obvious trade that I can see happening. Right? Are coming for these equal lows. And if you like, let's say we are going to come down here, look at that. Look how it lines up perfectly. Doesn't get any better than that. So it would definitely be looking. Maybe we get an inverse for value gap to trade into, and then we pop down lower. Let's wait for London session though. See what happens. That's the most obvious trade. Also, we are in a downtrend, right? Look at this. Actually, let's take everything off for the daily. We're sideways, but overall we're just downtrending. Now we're going sideways here. So maybe consolidate here, right? Wait a minute. Oh no, this is okay. Let's see this. Did I miss this? High is 43111, 431, 4381. It's close. It's real close. But right. High, low, higher, higher, low, lower, low, higher, low, lower, low, or lower, high, lower, high, lower, low, and then All right, we're in the pocket. So we have to see what happens, man, because we are. That is a big ass SMT though. Right. If this fails, right? If this is a failure swing, we have another SMT right here too, though. I see this SMT with this SMT. So it's tough right now. It's tough. Dog, it's tough. I have to see what happens. I'm gonna wrap it up right there,